Today we'll see data analysis part and some formulae, mainly basic formulae which are required for data analysis, right? So for that, what I did is I have taken some sample sheet, the sample Excel sheet I have prepared. But rather than taking this exact same sheet, what I can do is I'll create new sheet for you. And then if we'll create, it's a data science, right? Data science, mainly with playing with data. So first is we'll do the sorting. We'll see all sorting. Then we'll see how to apply the filter. And mainly we'll see the if formula. So this is the minimum three which we'll see today. If time permits, then we'll see the remaining part of the serial number. So directly type it serial number. We'll take for maybe 15 records. So directly I can drag it and then I'll take 15 records. Then this is maybe serial number, roll number, whatever maybe. Then the name of a person is A1 and A2. And then I'll select both cells. And then if I drag it or double click it, automatically the auto incrementation would be done. So this is also there, this is also there. Now I'll call this as a roll number or serial number, whatever serial number. Then I'll take name, and then what I will do is here marks, maybe. Right, marks. So marks I'll purposely take marks in between 10 to 30. 10 to 30. So anything between 10 to 30, I will take those marks. I'll manually enter those marks, right? So, right. So these are the marks I have entered. Fine. Now what I want is I want it basically to use this. Now you just concentrate on this part. Sort and filter. Sort and filter. Right. So you concentrate at that part, and then we'll see what exactly it means. So let us see first what different options are there in sort and filter. So I'll click here. So all options will come. See, if I click here, see, sort smallest to largest, sort, then second point is sort largest to smallest, custom sort, filter. So these are the options which are there, right? So we'll see the sorting. So what I will do is I'll select the first cell which I want to sort, right? So I'll select the entire range of the numbers which I want to sort. So I've selected a column. Now I'll click on sort, and here I'll click on sort, and I'll do sort smallest to largest. First point, sort smallest to largest. Now be careful, watch carefully, step by step. I'm going slowly. Now if I click on that, see, I get a warning, sort warning, which tells me Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. The Microsoft Excel automatically detect that there are some more columns existing in the spreadsheet. So more columns are there. So it is asking me, what do you want to do? Like, since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So what do you want to do? You want to expand the selection or you want to continue with the selection? Now, for time being, what I can do is I'll continue with the current selection. We'll see both. So first we'll see continue with the current selection. What difference will be see? Now you have to be very, now see, um, I'll sort it. Now you just see the data, sequence of data. The first value is 22, second value is 23, third value is 30, 11, 14, 17. Just see what exactly it will happen after sorting it. So I'll click on sort. I have selected continue with the current selection. I'll click on sort. What will happen? See. And I have selected here, while sorting, I have selected from smallest to largest. So the sequence has been changed. All the numbers have been sorted from 11, 11. So it has been sorted from smallest to largest. But what has happened? The other columns have not been changed. The other column have not been changed. In the other column, the sequence serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 is remains same. The name also A1, A2 is remains same. So this sorting is, I think it is of no use as far as the data is concerned. So what I will do is I'll change it now. But I have understood at least how to sort a single column. So this will be helpful if you have a single column, then you can sort the way I have sorted it today. Now we'll see the next point. Now I'll just do it Control Z so that the automatic this thing will be. Now what I will do is I will select two columns, or I'll do the same thing, right? From 22, I'll select the all the numbers, all 15 numbers, and then I'll click on again sort and filter, then sort smallest to largest. Now I will do expand the selection, and I'll click on expand the selection. I'll click on sort. Now if I do that, just see it. Now the data is sorted, and accordingly the name and the serial number, everything is sorted. The A4 student has got minimum marks 11, right? A4, A11. So that sorting is done. Serial number is also changed. So entire data gets sorted. The complete data has been sorted, right? So eldest to smallest is also done. Now what has happened? Largest to smallest has been done on the basis of serial number and not on the basis of marks. What I want is I want on the basis of marks. So I'll again select the marks, then click on this, right? Then expand the selection and sort. Now see, this is the largest value has been at the top and the smallest value is at the bottom. So when you click on expand the selection, automatically the entire data will be get selected. Right. So this is the meaning of it, right? Now this sorting is, I think you have understood what exactly mean by sorting. Now we'll move again. So these 2 points we have seen. See, there are two. So sort smallest to largest, that we have seen, and then sort largest to smallest, that we have seen. Now we'll see an important, the custom sort. We'll see the custom sort. Now I'll click. Now see, now what will happen? I'll click on somewhere in this on the cell where the data is not existing, the blank cell. I'll click on the sort and filter, and if I click on custom sort, see, a error message will be there. Reason being, the cell which we have selected does not contain any data. So when we want a data to be sorted out, what I want, I must select a data row or anything. Like I'll do that, one column I'll select, then I'll go again back to the menu, and then I'll click on custom sort, and now here see the details are there, right? Fine. So now I'll again click on continue with the current selection, expand with the selection, and then sort. And this is now this thing has been appeared. Look at this. A new window has been appeared. So where exactly there are, see, in new window what things are there. Here you can add a level, you can delete a level, copy level, you can have different options that we'll see it afterwards. First we'll see by what you want to sort. See all the column names, these column names which we have given, serial number, these column names, you see the column names which we have given, serial number, name, and marks, that will appear here automatically. If you click here, sort by, that will appear here. So what do you want? You want to sort it by serial number, you want to sort it by name, you want to sort it by marks, you can do it. This point number one. Point number two, sort on what? There are various ways which can sort it. You can sort it by values, you can sort it by color, you can sort it by font color, cell color, background color also you can change. You can sort it according to the color. We'll see all this. So you can sort it by values, you can sort it by cell color, you can sort it by font color, you can sort it by cell icons. Now today we are not using any icons, but at least we'll see sorting by on the basis of values, on the basis of cell color, on the basis of font color, that we'll see. And then order. So order are two orders are there. First is the largest, smallest to largest, largest to smallest. And if you want any custom list, so custom list answer. So let us first understand. We'll sort it on the basis of marks. We'll sort it on the basis of marks, then values, and then largest to smallest. If I click on that, largest to smallest, I'll change it. Largest to smallest is already done. So I'll do it the smallest to largest. And if I click OK, see, automatically the sorting will be done. And when the marks are changing, automatically then the corresponding name, corresponding serial number or roll number is also automatically changing. So see it carefully. All right, I'll do it again. What I will do is, I'll select it again. Now you see the sequence, serial number sequence is changed, 313. Now I want to sort it on the basis of serial number or roll number. So if I want to do that, I'll click here. Now, okay, I can click here also. I can right click here, and here also the sorting will come. See. So the two options are there. Through menu also I can select, or through right click also I'll select, or even through shortcut keys also we can select it. So I want to do it a custom sort. So when I put on custom sort, automatically the window will come. Now I want to sort it on the basis of serial number, the values, right? The values, and then largest to smallest. So which one will come? Largest to smallest. So 15 number will come at the top. See, the 15 number is there on the top. Fine. Now what I will do is I'll change. Now I want to change the cell color. So I'll change the cell color. These two cell colors I'll change to yellow. Right? Again, I'll select the the table, the entire data. I'll select the entire data. Then I'll right click and then I'll go on sort. Then I'll go on custom sort. And then now I want to sort it on the basis of marks. But now here I want to as per the cell color. And then cell color, the yellow, I want to keep it on top or bottom. Now I want to keep it on top. Those values I want to keep it on top. Go custom sort and see no cell color or cell color. So here yellow I want on top. Here yellow I want on top. So okay. So that yellow will come on top. So it is I have done sorting by cell color. Now I'll show you sorting by. I'll just right. I'll change this and now I'll change the color of the font color. So two font color I'll change. And now again I'll select the maybe three cells. I'll change the color. Then I'll click again select. I'll select all the entire the table. I'll right click on it. Then I'll sort it. Then custom sort. Then here I want to sort it on the basis of marks. Then I want here now font color. And then font color, the red color should be on top. The red color on top. If I click on OK, see all red color values all come on top. Now I have just taken the example of the serial number, name and marks. Now entries could be anything, like sales data could be there, financial data could be there, or any HR data could be there. Any data which is there in front of you in a large quantity or small quantity, anything. Data manipulation and data analysis tool, two tools we have. One first tool we have seen, like sorting, how to sort the data either in descending order, ascending order, and then according to the color, according to the cell color, according to the values. So this is the way it was done. So both ways I have shown you. Now this is the one part. Like other part is I'll click it again. I'll select the data. Firstly, I'll just remove the sorting first. Color wise sorting I did, so I'll remove that. So this is I have removed. Again, I'll select. I'll moving further. Right. I'll select the data. I'll click on. I'll select the data. Then right click. Then sort. Custom sort, then we'll see the add label. What is that add label? You can sort by two different things. You can sort by two different things. Like for example, first we want to sort it on the basis of name. First we want to sort it on the basis of name. So I'll cancel this first. I'll put two names similar. There could be people where two names could be similar, right? So I'll put this is A8 and A8 similar names, right? There could be possible that two students have similar name or three students have similar name. So this is there. Now we'll sort it. Now we'll see again that select the data, right click, sort, custom sort, add label. First you sort it by name, then values, Z to A to Z, right? Then I want to sort it by marks, values, and then again I want it from largest to smallest. Now if I click on that, what will happen? The A8 will come here, and the see in A8 highest has been taken first. All A8 has been ranked together. All A8 are grouped together, but while their marks, the highest has been taken first on top. So sub-sorting, you can say it, sorting and sorting. So firstly, it has been sorted on the column name, and then secondly, it has been sorted on the basis of marks. So you can add the labels also. So this is what is the sorting. I hope you have understood the sorting. I'll wait for this filter. So we have to add a filter into it. So similarly, here if I click now, I know I'm what I'm doing is I'm explaining how to filter the data. Again, data science, how to filter the data. If I want to filter the data, how to filter it. Fine. Now, when I want to filter it, there are two ways with which three ways. One is from menu I can take, or from right click also I can do that. So if I right click here, filter, and then filter by sale, filter by value, filter by color. So that the options are there. So to start with, what I will do is I will click filter from here. So when I click on filter, see automatically, see here the here in all the columns in the column names, you can see a downward arrow key automatically appears. A downward arrow key automatically appears. Right now, what does it mean? What does it mean? If I click on that, it is a clickable. Sorry, it is a clickable the event, right, of Excel. So if I click, if I take mouse over on this, and if I click here, see smallest to largest. Again, here sorting is possible. Sort by color. So sorting is again possible, but the filtering is there. So if I want to filter out some data, like if I want only maybe so this first we'll see only I want to filter. So I unselect all, and then I want only 20 and 20. I want to just see the data of 20 and 21. So the data of 20 and 21 appear. The rest of the data, it is there, but it will be hidden, right? If I want to remove that, you can select all. Again, all data will appear, reappear the data. Similarly, on name also, see all name list is there. So I can deselect here all the list. And if I want only few data, I want to filter only few data so that filtration is possible. So I would filtered it on the basis of name. Again, if I want to deselect it, or that is also possible, check it, and then all the data will reappear. Similarly, it can be done on the name also. Sorry, serial number also. So this serial number is also there. So we have seen, right, what do we mean by filter and how to add the filter. What do you mean by filter? Out of total data, certain data on the condition, if you want to filter it out, a filter command, Excel provides you a very nice way of doing it. Fine. So now, so filter is there. Now I'll appear. Now, if I want to remove the filter, I can remove the filter. Fine. So this filter is there. Now again, now this one part one. Now I want to add the filter from this menu. So here you see what options are there. Filter by selected cell value. Filter by cell color. Filter by, so we'll change the color now. What we'll do? These three will change the color. Maybe, right? And now I want to filter it. So now just see it, how what exactly it will done. Right? So sort and filter. What I did is I some cell background color I have changed. So filter. So filter icon has been appeared. Now if I click here, now new menu is appeared here. Filter by color. Now if I click here, what happened? Only yellow colored filter or the data of which has yellow cells. Background color yellow will appear in front of me. Others will not be there. If I unclick it, everything will be filtered by. So if I unclick this, see entire data will be there. Here, the same thing is there. This we are not change anything. So the color will not appear. See, the filter by color is filter by color. Filter by color is disabled here because we have not. Excel understand that in this entire column, no other color is there. Excel automatically understands it. Right? Here also. Now, if I, for example, if I now here I give yellow color and here I give maybe a different color, maybe red color, and for these three I'll give maybe a different blue color. Now we'll see what will happen. If I click now, you'll see the filter by color. And filter by color, all three colors are appearing. See when I click yellow, only yellow will correct, but only of the first column, serial number. This yellow will not. Now the filtering will be done on the basis of column C, serial number column, and not basis of on the other like. So if I select different color, if I click red color, so all the data which is highlighted by red will only appear in front of me, right? And it will be selected. And if I want to blue, so only blue will appear. So this is what is the filtering part. So you can filter it by cell. So I'll select it again, right? Uh, I'll remove everything. No fill. When I click on no fill, automatically everything will be. So this is the no fill data will be appear. Now I'll click here. I want to remove the filter. So clear filter. So that is one filter is clear, and then other everything is clear, right? Now I should change the background, the cell color also, so that the entire data will be in the form where we have. So now, so I'll select it again. Then I'll right click and see how many filters are there. We have seen selected by cell value, we have done that. Then we by cell color, we have done that. Then by font color, that is also there. And then icon, we'll see it maybe on some other day. Today we'll not. So, okay. So what we did is we have seen sorting and filter of the data. These two things. I will add marks 2 and I'll copy it from this sheet. Maybe these marks. And then I'll paste it for me. Right. Now if I want to sort it, what will happen? I'll select the entire data. I'll click on sort. I'm moving it, right? Custom sort. And now here, automatically, the Excel understands there are two things are there, two, three things are there. So name is also there, marks is also there. If you want to remove something, I can delete a label. If I don't want, like for example, I don't want name, so I can, this label can be deleted. So one label is deleted. So what do we want? I want it to on the basis of serial number, name, marks, yeah, marks 2. So if I want on the basis of marks 2, this is there. And then values, yes, largest to smallest, largest to smallest. So it has been sorted out. See, now this is in descending order. As per the marks 2, it has been sorted out. So you can have n number of columns. Out of that, if you want to sort it on a particular column, it is possible. Maybe there are, like, if you have sales data, if you have sales data, according to sales data, you can sort it out. Like you have the name of districts or name of cities, according to the name of the cities, you can sort it out, right? Right here, actually, for example, this is getting sorted out. I'll take another example, right? Maybe in 1 minute or 2 minute, right? Small, the districts of the name of the small, where I can quickly type it and uh, sort it, right? Bead, BMPSS. Now, if I want to sort it from Z to A, this is also okay. What hasn't happened? That is also I'll tell you. There was now this alphabetically also you can sort the data alphabetically and in a fraction of second. This is computing speed is very fast as far as the Excel is concerned, right? So it has now I have taken another sheet in which you can see the data, right? Here ABC is the name of first column. Then maybe I'll change this to roll number. Roll number. Then this is maybe name. Then this is marks 1. This is marks 2. And now, see, I want to check if this student is pass or fail in M1. In first subject, or what I will do is rather than giving marks 1, I'll put subject 1. And this is subject 2. Subject 2. So this student A3 and sorting, okay, sorted, unsorted data is okay for me. This doesn't make any difference. So now if I want to check or write here, like this student is pass or fail in S1 subject, right? In S1. So marks M1 and this is M2, right? So is he pass or fail? So if is the command which I have to use. So what I need to do is, so I'll delete this now, entire, and then because I wrote it for some other session. So I'll delete it here now here. So if I want to use the formula, what is the way is to equal sign. If now if you click on if, see the if will appear. If I click on if, see it will the formula. This you remember always. When you write the formula in a cell, the help will appear automatically below that. Now it is telling me how to use that formula. I'll zoom it. Right. So you can see it, right? So here it is telling me that if can be used a logical test first, then a value, and then if you want like anything, value, something like that, right? So I'll write the formula. If what I want, this value 23, and this is greater than, this is greater than, right? Greater than what? we'll take 15 as a passing mark because the numbers are, you see, from 10 in between 10 to 32. So out of, if for example, you take it in paper of 35 marks. So if E6 is greater than 15, comma, what I want to put it as double quote, I want to put it as mark as pass, mark as pass, comma, otherwise mark as fail. This is how the if command can be used. If that particular sale is greater than a particular value, then what you want to do? First, if it is true, this is the true condition. The first value means it is true condition. This is true condition. Second value means if it is false. If E6 is greater than 15, this will be executed. The result is this. If this is not true, then this will be automatically typed in. So I'll see. If E6 is greater than 15, type pass. If it is not, then type fail. So I'll click enter, right? And see. So it is showing me we find a typo in your formula. Typo mistake is there. So what is the typo mistake? We'll see that. So typo mistake has been cleared. What was the typo mistake? Is actually there was a space in between. By mistake, a space has been added. So that has been automatically covered by the right. So 23 marks means this student is passed. Now for rest of the student, what I can do is I can just double click the here and see all the student pass and fail. So this student is less than 15, so fail. See, less than 15 fail. So two students are fail. Here also less 10 marks, 50, so failed students are also there. Similar, I want to do it for the next column. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Now I want to do it for second column. Now I have to do it for this column. And what I want is what I want this now value should be something more than that. So what I will do is I'll click on here, Control C. Now here I'll go, right click, and now I want to paste the formula only. See, paste the formula only. There are various paste options we have seen yesterday. So that only formula I'll paste. So I'll paste the formula. So formula will be copied. Now what I want is rather than 15, I'll make it 35 because it out of 100 marks. So I'll make it 35 and the rest is same. The rest is same. So I'll click OK, enter, I'll go at it end and I'll click enter. So this is failed. So if I select the cell, if I drag it or double click, the entire thing. So all the students fail and pass students have been calculated. See, only 2 has gone less than 35 marks. All rest are more than 35. So this is there. Or I can change, if I want more, I can change this value to our normal value, that is 40% passing. So I can change it to 40%. Now, the students who are, see, 40% also we can change it. Can change more. If you want to have more value, you can have here 50% passing also, you can put 50%. So you see, and now if I click on the drag it, see, these students are failed. Fine, these students are failed. So I'll put it 40 only, so that, or 35 only, whatever. So 40, so pass and fail. So this is what, right? So if command has been used, how to do that? I'll do it again. I'll delete this. I'll use if command again for this column is equal to if, now if, then opening bracket, the logical test, I want this column should be greater than 40. If this is true, then write as in double inverted comma, you have to write in double inverted comma, write as pass, double inverted comma, complete, comma, else, double inverted comma, fail, double inverted comma, complete, bracket complete, enter, finish. And drag it, it will automatically calculate the result for second subject. Now I want result of the entire. Like if he is pass in both the subject, then pass, otherwise no. So I'll check, I'll put condition on these two now. That we'll try and do that also. Right? We'll try and do that also, right? Okay. Fine. So this is the formula for that. If and only you have to add, right? So I'll write the formula for you in some other cell so that you can understand it. So that will be is equal to the if and bracket. This is greater than 15, comma, this is greater than 40, bracket complete, I missed it. Bracket complete, I have to do it here. Then comma, then pass, right? Or what I will do is I'll purposely do some mistakes, right? So that you can understand how to recover those mistakes also. Now, see, if and E6 is greater than 15, comma, F6 is greater than 40, write it pass, otherwise fail. Now, both brackets are there. So I'll see. So fail. Fine. So this is the case where this formula. Now, if I delete this and if I double click on this is the formula. The formula is appearing here in the formula bar also. And here also you can see the formula. Just see the formula, right? If opening bracket and the condition, first is the condition on which we want to put it. Like E6. As I'm putting a condition on two columns, so that's why I used and. So if E6 is greater than 15 and F6 is greater than 40, pass means pass. If that candidate student is pass in both subject, then only put pass, otherwise put fail. So that is what it has been done. Now check actually has it done properly or not. So we'll see that. All right. Now I'll just drag it for all these students and then see. Now here is fail in here. Is fail in first subject, so fail. Fail in first subject, so fail. Fail in first subject, so fail. Here fail in second subject, so fail. So you pass in both subjects, so pass. Pass in both subjects, so pass. So if I want to count the number of cells, this is another formula. I want to count the number of cells. So what I will do is equal, then count. Count is there. This count. And which I want is the range from here to here. So bracket complete. So what it will do, it will count the number of cells which are filled. So there are total 15 number of cells which are filled is equal to count bracket and I'll select 3. I'll select 3. All 3. Now let's see what exactly it will do. It's 30. Number. The cells which has number. Now I'll select this. Okay, I'll write down here. Is equal to count. Count bracket and I'll select this entire column. Bracket complete. Enter 0. So what count returns me? Count returns the number of cells in which values are there. The cells in which values are not there will not be counted. Will not be counted. Now let's see another example. Let's see another example. Now what I will do is I will change this. I'll delete this. 2, I will delete 2 values, I'll delete and I'll count it again. Right? Is equal to count bracket, then the range, bracket complete. See 30. Because two cells are two cells does not have values entered into cells, right? Now I'll change again. Here I'll put absent. Here I'll put absent. And then I'll count it again is equal to count, open bracket, select the range, complete the bracket, enter. See 13. So absent has been automatically marked. So it is showing me how many cells has got the values entered into it. So count is also another formula which is used in the calculations, right? That is also there. Now what I will do is here there was some number maybe 23, and here there might be a number. There could be a number like maybe 19. So that will make my sheet are selected. This and these two values, two cells are not counted because these are text. These are not numbers. These are not values. 13 is equal to concatenate. Concatenate, right? Concatenate, and I want to concatenate this this and this. I want to concatenate. Oh, this will be no. This. Control key. These two cells I want to concatenate. What it will do, just see, right? And then enter. What happened? It has joined two text. A3 and pass has been joined together. So concatenate is used to join two text together. Sometimes it might be there like there are two different, and then I'll put this. So two separate. If I press shift key, then all will be selected in sequence. Control key, that particular cell will be selected. So that is what, and then I'll enter. So A14 is the first cell information and pass is the second cell information. So those will be joined together. So this is